If you're a guitarist looking to level up your skills, you might have heard of Guitar Pro, but does it really deliver on its promises? Let's dive into what this software offers and see if it's worth your time and money. Guitar Pro is essentially a tab editor and music notation software designed for guitarists and other musicians. It allows users to create, edit, and play back music scores, which is great for learning new songs or composing your own. The interface is user-friendly, making it accessible for beginners, but it also offers advanced features that seasoned players might appreciate. What stands out immediately is the extensive library of tabs available. You can find everything from classic rock anthems to modern hits, which is fantastic for practicing. The playback feature helps you hear how your tab should sound, which is a big plus for those still getting comfortable with their instrument. However, some users might find the software a bit overwhelming at first, especially if they're not familiar with music notation. And while it does a lot, there are still some gaps in the documentation that could leave you scratching your head. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Guitar Pro is incredibly versatile. It supports various instruments, not just guitar, and the ability to import and export MIDI files is a huge bonus. The community around it is also active, meaning you can often find help or new tabs easily. On the downside, some users have reported frustrations with the pricing model, especially with the subscription option. It can feel a bit steep if you're just starting out or if you're not using it regularly. Additionally, while the software is powerful, it may not suit those who prefer a simpler, more straightforward approach to learning guitar. If you're looking for something that offers a more hands-on learning experience without the bells and whistles, Guitar Pro might not be the best fit. In conclusion, Guitar Pro is a solid choice for guitarists who want to dive deep into music theory and composition. It's particularly beneficial for those who enjoy learning through tabs. However, if you're after a more simplified tool, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it feels worth trying, especially if you're serious about improving your skills.